Modtech Manufacturing and Construction provides comprehensive construction services from project design all the way through building completion. We can help reduce overall project time using the off-site construction process. The design-build process further helps to streamline construction and provides a single point of contact for the customer. Modtech is your sole source for your next construction project. Modtech employs several architects, including U.S. Green Building Council LEED certified personnel. These experienced individuals can work directly with the customer or project architect to convert ideas into reality. Regular meetings with various involved individuals improves communication and expedites the process, as any problems can be quickly resolved. The certified engineering staff and drafting personnel have the skills and knowledge to create detailed construction drawings from conceptual drawings. As construction drawings are produced internally, the production time is dramatically reduced to less than 30 days. Modtech operates 3 strategically located off-site construction facilities, which provide service to most regions in the U.S. These facilities protect buildings from weather damage and theft during the construction process. Raw materials are also protected from weather damage and staged next to point of use, improving construction efficiency. In addition, construction is facilitated by extensive infrastructure such as compressed air lines, building dollies, numerous forklifts, and overhead cranes. Raw steel is configured in the extensive metal fabrication department, which provides the flexibility to create a wide variety of steel components, including floor and moment frame structures. Wood floors are framed and sheeting installed on large tables, facilitating the process. For projects with optional concrete floors, 2,500 psi concrete is poured into the frame and allowed to cure. Wood walls are framed on large tables using lumber pre-cut in the wood mill. Sheeting is installed on exteriors with specific nailing patterns to provide shear strength. Frames are also available to increase the design flexibility, as the roof is supported by columns at corners of the building. Exterior walls are installed as usual but are non-load bearing. Roof structures are fabricated on the ground, expediting roof construction and reducing worker exposure to falls. A variety of roof coverings are available, including standing seam, built-up, composite shingle, and site-installed tile. While the roof is easily accessible, HVAC ducts and ceiling-mounted HVAC units are installed in ceiling cavities. Clear span trusses can provide up to 60 feet of unobstructed space, allowing large open spaces and interior flexibility. Once complete, roof sections will be lifted into place using one of the numerous overhead cranes. The roof will then be fixed in place, adding rigidity to the structure. Windows are installed at customer-specified locations, and a variety of green options are available, including dual pane and low-E coating. Electrical wiring is installed by trained electrical tradesmen throughout the building and routed to the main panel box. Only the main utility connection and connection between sections need to be completed on-site. Plumbing lines and fixtures are installed prior to transportation to the site, reducing number of skilled tradesmen needed on-site and preventing theft of raw materials. Plumbing lines are air pressure tested to over 125 psi to check for leaks. Battens of fiberglass insulation or optional green isocene insulation is installed and covered with interior wallboard. If tape and texture wall finish is ordered, gypsum panels are placed and joints are smoothed. The final texture will be applied on site, ensuring invisible seams. Exterior wall-mounted HVAC units are installed on the exterior of the building and connected to the ducts already installed. Optional split system compressor units will be installed on site. The framework for the suspended ceiling is attached to the roof assembly and aligned with grid from other building sections. Cabinetry and other casework are created in our cabinetry shop, providing flexibility and decreasing transportation damage and cost. Casework and final trim are installed in the building, then the building is cleaned. In addition to the numerous inspections by various quality control personnel during the construction process, all buildings are checked at the end of the line for completeness, overall appearance, and operation. California DSA-relevant projects are inspected throughout the construction process by a DSA Level 1 inspector. To prevent moisture intrusion and transportation damage, buildings can be shrink-wrapped and sealed. Building sections are staged in the transportation area where they are loaded onto specially designed trucks for direct delivery to the site. As part of a complete turnkey package, Modtech can provide grading and site preparation. On permanent projects, excavation occurs for support posts and perimeter stem walls, which provide a firm foundation for the building. After forms and reinforced steel are secured in place, 3,500 psi concrete is poured and finished. Utility lines are routed to the proper location on site for final connection to the building, reducing work necessary after the building is in place. Individual sections arrive on the site and are staged for setting. A crane with specially designed cradle is used to move sections from trucks onto the concrete foundation. After placement, each section is welded into place using weld plates embedded into the foundation. Section separations are sealed and the exterior is prepared for application of the stucco. A total of 3 layers of stucco are applied to the exterior to increase the longevity. After the final coat is cured, the exterior will be primed and painted using the colors selected by the customer. Various other exterior finishes including lap siding are available. Final details of the interior are completed after the sections are placed. Ceiling tiles are installed and carpet is laid. Optional steel roof trusses are set in place and provide higher pitch roofs or higher ceilings. Roof sheeting and final roof covering are installed after the roof is securely in place. Wiring for low voltage systems such as the fire alarm systems and computer cables are run throughout the building through conduit built into the walls. Complex architectural features which can be transported easily are constructed after the sections are placed on site. Such features can include entry canopies, covered walkways, and large multi-story open atriums. One of the final steps includes construction of sidewalks, driveways, and walls. After hardscape, the landscape with sprinkler systems is installed and plants put in. After the project is completed, the building is commissioned and any adjustments to systems are made. This ensures the project will operate smoothly upon occupancy. After the commissioning process is complete, the certificate of occupancy is issued. Modtech has constructed thousands of projects in a variety of markets. Public and private education projects range from simple classroom additions to complete campuses. Permanent and relocatable daycare buildings are easily expandable depending on need. The commercial market includes sales offices, bank branch offices, and retail stores. To fulfill the needs of the changing healthcare market, Modtech offers medical administration buildings, physician offices, medical clinics, and suburban wellness centers. The government market is diverse and includes expandable barracks, reconfigurable training facilities, and municipal courthouses. The multifamily residential market includes condominiums, apartments, and duplexes. Modtech now offers numerous green options to improve the energy efficiency, interior air quality, and environmental impact of your next project. Whatever your project, big or small, Modtech is the answer to provide you with the speed, quality, and reliability you need, and the experience you can trust.